Alright, this is Tyler with Eagle Roofing and Remodeling. We are on Carol Hornburger's claim. You guys issued like a 27, 28 shingle repair. And we're going to explain to you why a repair won't work. Obviously right here's a wind damaged shingle. Got the crease. So we're going to break this seal and see where the tabs start and where the tabs finish. So this is obviously a 3-tab. Starts right there. 1, 2, 3. Ends right there. So we're removing that shingle. Just for the record, we're removing the shingle. Dang, good swim. Even though we're removing the shingle, it's still ripped through right here. So it's ripped. So, if you look right here, this shingle is ripped right here, and this shingle pulled through. So it is broken and crumbling now. There's mat transfer right here. You can see it. The shingle ripped right here. Shingle's ripped right here. You can see. Still recording?